Good evening, boys and girls. Today is Monday, October 26, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 4.2. We are Big Ideas Classroom. And then we also have 30 minutes of Moby Max that is due by Friday. Remember, you need to get a 70% or higher on that. If you do not, you need to go see Mr. Sperling or Mrs. Caparini. For the accelerated math, there is no homework tonight. And as just a reminder, all of your math journal notes can be found on Google Classroom. In science, we got an assignment called Bill Nye Adams. So that is an Ed puzzle. And in social studies, we have the importance of trade. That is a form via Google Classroom. In language arts, there is no homework. However, for the accelerated class, you've got two things here. Number one is you have your ancient Roman baths vocab. And then number two is you need to decide on a topic for a beautiful place essay. Type topic as a comment on the assignment. For literature, we have two different things going on. Number one, you need to read 30 minutes this evening for towards your AR, and then if you volunteered to read a part in the play tomorrow, you can go home and practice your part this evening. Career in life and FCS 6, there is no homework, and then also with this being a week of different themes, so to speak. Tuesday is wear your favorite sports team, any gear, jersey, paraphernalia that is of your favorite sports team. It's going to be it for this Monday. We will see everybody tomorrow.